Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today is a very special day. It's the day for an outing and my dear son's birthday celebration. Now, can you believe that my eye ended up like this exactly today? But, well, I managed to make it look a bit better with some makeup. And this is the outfit I chose for today. How is it? Is it pretty? From where we live to London, it's about a 2-hour drive. That's why we had breakfast in the car. I had made 2 delicious sandwiches and some eggs myself. And here's Mr. Kopal, who's either being mischievous, throwing up, or dozing off. First, we went to the Asian part of London because we were really craving some carrot tea. But honestly, we kind of regretted it. It was unbelievably crowded. First, it took us ages just to find a parking spot. And then everywhere was packed with people. But actually, I mostly came here to show you this part of London. This place is called Southall, and it's the center of everything you can imagine. From Indian clothes to all kinds of Indian foods. Personally, I really love this place, especially its street food. But since we had a restaurant reservation for the evening, we decided not to eat too much here. We just settled for a cup of saffron karak tea. And these that you see, they extract the butter from the cream and sell it, which is very healthy and delicious. Look how interesting this karak tea is. I had never tried whole saffron in tea like this before. But let me tell you, the aroma was incredible. The scent of saffron filled the whole place. And then from there, we went to Tavazo Confectionery, which was in another neighborhood. And since I really missed Iran and its snacks, I enjoyed just looking at all the treats with my eyes. The lady at the counter was also very kind and offered me a fresh Danish pastry to try, which we ended up buying as well. But unfortunately, I forgot to buy the Swiss roll and Napoleon pastry, which I really regretted. We also bought some mixed nuts to snack on during the trip. We already have so many sweets at home. This is good. All right. The restaurant we're going to is a bit outside of London, towards the north. It's in a village near London. If I want to be honest with you about London, I don't really like it anymore, because it's extremely crowded and dirty. The traffic and the driver's irritability are unbearable for me. And unfortunately, people in London no longer behave like respectful citizens or follow the etiquette of city living. That's why I told myself, maybe I won't come around here for a long time. But no matter how much London bothered us, this restaurant and its location made up for it. Incredibly beautiful and relaxing. The entrance of the restaurant was decorated with wine bottles from 1876. This restaurant is not an ordinary one. You dine inside private glass domes with complete privacy, which is very stylish and pleasant, and at the same time soothing music is playing. You can reserve this place for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or even a marriage proposal, and they will decorate it with food for you as well. And the view is just amazing. By the way, I forgot to mention that this is an Indian restaurant. For food, we first ordered appetizers, and the first one was papad, which is a type of Indian chip served with various sauces. I ordered the restaurant's signature drink, and I was honestly amazed when I saw how it was decorated. It was very elegant and beautiful. Here, down below, you can see that the bride accepted the groom's marriage proposal, and the sparklers were lit to celebrate her acceptance. For our second appetizer, we ordered avocado chaat, which was prepared as a street food style dish, and I can honestly say it was unparalleled, both in terms of presentation and taste. And for the main course, we ordered several types of chicken and meat stews, as well as kebab and grilled shrimp. The grilled shrimp was the star among all the dishes we ordered. Words can't do it justice. The food was excellent, and overall, if I were to sum it up, this restaurant gets a full 5 stars from me for taste, presentation, and location. At night, the beauty of this restaurant is enhanced even more when the lights inside these glass spheres are turned on. Overall, I had a great time, and I definitely recommend coming here. I'll be coming back myself. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, goodbye.